Hey guys, what's going on? So today we are going to be playing with some makeup, some colorful makeup. I got literally a few new pieces and some old pieces, some older pieces that I have that I want to play with and see if we can create some fun, colorful makeup looks. I got this. This is by Revlon. This is in Maverick. They have a ton of these. I will find some pictures and insert them here somewhere for you. So let me just get this open without breaking my nails. So this one I have in Maverick, and it's got the colors just really call me. This was something that I would get a lot of use out of. It's not really colorful. Let me see. Let me try this orange one and see if it comes out. Yeah, so it's not that bright. The orange isn't that bright. Let me try the gold. Yeah. So, I mean, this isn't really going to be a lot of fun colors, but it's going to be good for like some transitioning and stuff like that. Like this is gorgeous. And if you, oh, I'm going to try not to get this white robe dirty, but if you love color, they have some really colorful ones that you might really like. I might grab those. I don't know. They're pretty inexpensive. They're from the drugstore and they're so adorable looking. So yes. I also have this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner in this color. It is Voltage Blue. I thought this was super pretty. I've seen like a couple really cool liner looks. Fenty has some really nice colorful liquid liners, like pastel colors. And then I also got this, which is also by Wet n Wild, and it is a liner pencil. The color is nowhere to be found. It just says it's On Edge Longwear Eye Pencil. Oh, Sapphire and Ice. That's the color, Sapphire and Ice. So that's that right there. This would be really nice for the waterline. I have this liquid lipstick by Jordana, which I absolutely love. It's so long wearing. It's really nice. So I'm going to try that out for you guys. So let's get started. I have been really into not wearing any foundation, which I normally don't do on a daily basis anyway. I normally just go for concealer. So let's put on some concealer first and then contour, and then we'll try out some of the makeup like the liquid liner and stuff like that.
Those stinky VIPs alive.
And I'm just gonna quickly contour. Gosh, I just love a good contour. Let me put on some of this Aucoin highlighter. I want to get a little bit more shine. I like this because it's super duper natural, and there's literally so much of this highlighter in this pan. Like, I mean, this is gonna last me forever. I would literally, I have to use this every day in order to even hit pan on this. Like, there's so freaking much. Okay. All right, so that's good base. Okay, so let's try this Wet n Wild Mega Eyeliner in, what was the color? Voltage Blue. Wow, you guys, my camera always plays me. Okay, so I had stopped recording as I was putting this on, but I was just saying how much I have been wanting to try a colorful eyeliner. And I just think this is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Super wearable, I think. Like, wow, this is so fun. Wow, this is a fun pop of color. Ooh, oh my gosh, guys, that's so pretty. Isn't that so pretty? Like, can you see? I don't know. I'll give you a close-up when I am finished, but let me put my other eye on.
He's a liar.
Wow, that's pretty. That's such a fun way to add some color. So now I definitely got a ton on my lashes, so I'm just going to run some mascara through it, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous. Wow, so pretty. I think that's gorgeous, and I'm going to put some lashes on, and oh, but before we do that, let's do one thing. I'm going to take this little palette, and I'm going to take this like orangey color actually right here, and I am going to run it across my crease.
Just so we can get a little bit of crease color. I think I got some of that glitter shade next to it. Well, there's two glitter shades next to it, but it's kind of hard not to. I can tell the difference a bit. Let me pinch this a little because. Okay.
Wow, that's so pretty. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up. So this is a close-up, guys, of the liner. Isn't it gorgeous? I look funny probably. So pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pretty. I'm going to put my lashes on and I will be back in a sec. Okay, guys, so this is what I came up with. I think it is super duper pretty. It's with the lashes. Wow, this is like way more wearable than I thought. Oh, and it matches my nails. Wait, my nails are probably dirty. Oh my gosh, guys, look. Okay. I actually love the way that my eye makeup turned out. It's like, I'm so surprised at how wearable this blue is. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm about to look it up. No, I'm just about to, I'm probably going to mess it up right now because I'm actually going to add a little bit more stuff. So I really don't want to, but I have nowhere to go. So, so it's okay if I mess it up. Now, I was thinking with this blue that it would be nice or fun to put it in the inner corner. So this electric blue one, no, this was called Sapphire and Ice. So I think I could try to put it right here and see how that ends up, because this would be another fun way to add some color to your summer makeup, is to put it in the inner corner. So let's see. At least if I put it in the inner corner and I don't like it, I can definitely just take it off. So I definitely feel like I'm doing some kind of editorial look right now. That's really gorgeous, but I don't think I'd wear this together. Like, absolutely not. So let me see about taking it off. Like that blue, but I wouldn't wear this together for sure. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take that Maverick palette and I'm going to put that orange underneath my eye just to go ahead and tie everything in. And then I'm going to take this coppery rose gold color here. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to put this in my inner corner highlight. Oh, I think that's way pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take this Thrive mascara. Brush looks like this, and I'm just going to put a little bit, like literally nothing even.
Those stinky VIPs a liar.
Ooh, you guys, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this makeup look right now. Okay, so next, let's try some lips. Generally, I would just go for a, actually, I'll show you what I would normally go for in this look because, you know, I'm like basic. Just some gloss. I think that looks so pretty. Let me try this fun color from Jordana for you. It is called Mixed Berry Soufflé. See, that's not a bad color. That's actually not a bad color at all, you guys. So gorgeous. Okay. Okay guys, so what do you think? I think this is a finished look. I absolutely love it. All of the colors are so gorgeous. So I really had fun with this Maverick palette. I really liked it. The colors were fairly easy to blend out. I did have to go over the orange several times to get it to show up. But outside of that, I absolutely love the color. I love putting the rose gold in the inner corner. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. I absolutely fell in love with this Wet n Wild liquid liner. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, so I liked the pencil liner as well, but I, you know, obviously couldn't wear it with this look because it's too much. So, and this lip is one of my favorite lips anyways from Jordana. I think this is a really nice liquid lip formula. It dries down really, really quickly. So thank you so much for watching and playing with makeup with me today, guys. I enjoyed everything that I had out. Make sure to say hi to me in the comment section down below. Like if you liked it, share if you care. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.